Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Amazon Prime Visa credit card. So I just received this envelope a few days ago, and this is the card. I just blocked out a little bit of my information, but I'm just going to go ahead and do an unboxing video for you guys. Here is the envelope that I received. Just going to take everything out. So I did receive a couple of things in this envelope, and one is the credit card agreement right here. Pretty much just talks about the account. So some important identifications, using my card, paying them back, and what to avoid, like any late fees. So this is pretty much what the credit card agreement looks like that I received in the envelope. All right. Now the next thing that I received is the Prime Visa Rewards Program agreement right here. But this is just the rewards program of the credit card, which basically talks about the multipliers of the card and how you are going to be earning points. But this is how this looks. So the next thing in this envelope is Meet Your New Prime Visa Program Guide, how to reward your routine every day, everywhere. So right here, this is it. And this pretty much talks about the rewards I'll be getting from the card. So it's pretty much just, earning unlimited daily rewards, more ways to use and manage your Prime Visa credit card, and some additional benefits that are built in, like auto rental coverage, baggage delay insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, roadside assistance, travel accident insurance, and so forth and so on. But that is pretty much what this is. So now the next paperwork I received is what Chase does with your personal information, right? So they talk about who they are, what they do, reasons they can share your personal information. There's a limit to what Chase shares, and if you have any questions, to just contact them through the phone number on the paperwork. And then on the back, it's who we are and what we do. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right. Now the most important thing of all is I received a credit limit of 5,600. Hopefully you all can see that right there. 5,600. That is my credit limit on the card. All right. Now, the moment that you all have been waiting for is here, all right? And this is the card, all right? So I'm just going to scoot in a little bit, get right in, and there it is, the Prime Visa credit card. Wow. Let me just take that off really quickly. Wow. I wouldn't say it's plastic, but this is actually a really nice card. I'm just going to put all this stuff down. But this is how the card looks. Here, I'll show you guys. This is the Prime Visa credit card. It is not fully plastic. I'm actually not sure, but it's heavier than a normal plastic credit card. But this is how the card looks. It has a very sleek design, but I definitely wanted to show you guys this as well. Here is the back of the card as well, just so you guys can see how it looks. But this is the card, guys. I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys. I am somebody who loves to watch an unboxing video. When I see people getting approved for, a specific card, I go ahead and watch those videos. I love them. So I thought, why not do a video like that as well and show you guys the card. Well, guys, I'm going to be putting this card to some good use, And if you were also approved for the card, comment down below. I want to hear about your experience. And if you enjoyed watching this video, guys, smash that like button, subscribe if you are new here, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.